Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really cool little bike that I want to show you. This thing is clean and tons of fun to ride. It's the Kawasaki Versys. It's a 650cc liquid cooled parallel twin with a 6-speed. It's a very low mileage bike. It's got excellent suspension on it, got a good comfortable ride, excellent tires front and rear, dual front disc brakes, inverted forks. Got a really stylish fairing there on the looks kind of like a sport bike, but it's got an upright seating position. Monoshock design back here on the rear. Set up for 2-up riding, so you can ride 2-up on it. Got some passenger grab bars right here. It's just in beautiful condition. Got a little over 1,200 miles on it. Chain drive. I was trying to see if I could find anything to point out to you as far as scratches or dings or any of that stuff. The little bike just looks great. Fun to ride. I just rode it around for about 10 minutes and it's a blast. Got lots of zip to it. Excellent little commuter bike. See how many miles is on it. It's got 1,219 miles. It's pretty awesome. It's been through our shop and checked out, and it's got a clean bill of health, ready to ride. Got some good financing and extended warranty options for it. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or you can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. I like it. Got a tack up here, digital speedometer, digital fuel gauge in there. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.